We'll guide you through how to fix your Discord microphone not working on mobile. This is really annoying, so let's get in some different fixes you can try. First of all, make sure you're not muted. At the bottom here, you'll go and see a microphone icon. You may need to go and tap to go and see the options. If it's muted, it'll go and have a line through it, so go and tap on it to unmute yourself and go and see if that solves a problem. If it doesn't, then make sure Discord has access to your microphone. To do that, you can come out of Discord like so, come into your settings, and you need to scroll down and find apps. You can do this on Android as well. Then go and find Discord, and you can come and see the permissions here. Make sure microphone is switched on like so. Then Discord will be able to use it. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, then come to your Discord settings by pressing U in the bottom right and press the gear or cog icon in the top right. Go and scroll down to voice in the app settings section. At the top, tap on input mode and go and change it to voice activity. Otherwise, you have to go and push to talk. You can then go and switch on auto sensitivity if it's currently off. If it's currently on, you could try switching it off and going and decreasing the amount of sensitivity required to go and trigger the mic. If the problem is still not solved, then try calling another user, as the user you're calling could have a problem on their end, which is why they can't hear you.